The IELTS speaking test is a face-to-face interview between the test taker and an examiner. It lasts about 11 to 14 minutes and is divided into 3 parts.
1. Work or studies. Examiner: are you currently working or studying? Candidate: I'm currently studying. I'm pursuing a degree in computer science at university. Examiner: why did you choose this job/course? Candidate: I've always been interested in technology and how it shapes our daily lives. This course gives me the skills to work on innovative solutions and create something meaningful. Examiner: what do you enjoy most about your work/studies? Candidate: I enjoy the practical projects, especially when we get to collaborate on developing software. It's exciting to see our ideas turn into real applications. Examiner: is there anything you would like to change about your job/course? Candidate: yes, I think the course could focus more on real-world applications rather than purely theoretical concepts. It would help us be better prepared for the industry. Part 2. Long-term. Examiner: describe a time when you helped someone. Candidate: last year, I helped one of my friends who was struggling with a math course. He had failed a test and felt very discouraged. He asked me for help because I had done well in the same course. I started by identifying the topics he found challenging. Then, we worked through practice problems together, and I explained the concepts in a way that was easier for him to understand. We also developed a study schedule to ensure he was revising regularly. In the end, he passed his next test with a good grade. Seeing his happiness and confidence improve made me feel proud. It also strengthened our friendship and reminded me of the value of supporting others. Examiner: do you often find yourself helping people? Candidate: yes, I do. I enjoy sharing my knowledge and skills with others, especially when it can make a difference in their lives. Part 3. Discussion 1. Helping in society. Examiner: do you think people in your community help each other enough? Why or why not? Candidate: in my community, people do help each other, but I think there's room for improvement. Sometimes, people are too busy with their own lives to notice others in need. Examiner: what are some common ways people can offer help in a local community? Candidate: people can volunteer at shelters, donate to food banks, or even organize events to raise awareness about important issues. Small acts, like helping an elderly neighbor with groceries, also make a big difference. 2. Volunteering. Examiner: do you think volunteering is important? Why or why not? Candidate: yes, volunteering is vital because it builds stronger communities and helps those in need. It's also a great way to learn new skills and gain a sense of fulfillment. Examiner: should schools encourage students to volunteer? Candidate: definitely. Volunteering teaches students empathy and social responsibility. It also gives them real-world experience, which can be beneficial in their future careers.